Say, this is the best Christmas ever.
This is the Christmas ever.
Oh my goodness.
I need a knife.
We don't need a knife. We got it.
I don't need a knife.
We're okay.
Okay, good. Shay, go. Make sure you get...
Shay, take a picture.
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, we might need that knife now. Oh, you got it. What is that? A helmet?
Helmet.
What's the helmet for?
Yeah.
I wonder if it's
Oh, it's a purple one.
maybe. Wait, come here.
Jonah, hold on, buddy.
You gotta open the rest of these.
Okay, Jonah. This time you gotta close your eyes.
Close your
Okay?
eyes.
No,
Ready?
Robert, you gotta put your hands behind his eyes.
I'm gonna put this helmet on his head so that he can't see.
Are they closed?
Nope, not yet.
Keep it closed.
But don't go like that.
Are they closed?
Not yet. Hold on one second.
Keep your
Okay,
eyes closed.
eyes are closed. Eyes are closed.
Okay, you ready, Jonah? Okay, open your eyes. Now go open that.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't wait to open this.
Can't wait to open that.
Pull it off.
Open it.
It makes a
goes with
squeaky
the helmet.
noise.
Makes a squeaky noise?
What is it?
I don't know.
What do you think? What do you think?
Mom, a stick. A more needle.
Oh my God, Jonah! A real
Get on it!
helmet, buddy.
It's a real one.
Let's sit on there. What? Are you
Always wear your helmet.
Holy moly!
Don't be like your dad.
Take a picture, Brian, so we can see it.
Okay.
It's real, Jonah.
That is a real motorcycle.
Holy